Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on OPENCAMPUS and the EDU token. The recently launched Binance Launchpad project was actually a little bit over a week ago. Thought it was longer ago, but yeah, it's kind of been flying under the radar. As most of you know, it's also been pretty bearish, to be honest. So I just wanted to make an update on that. I feel that not a lot of people are covering EDU right now. And I do think I have a clear idea of what's going on and what to expect, both on the short term and long term. So, wanted to make a video, wanted to make an update. Let me know if you still want to see these EDU updates and how much you'd like to see them. Then I'll take that into consideration for my future videos. But yeah, so we'll talk about mainly the technicals and a little bit of what I expect fundamentally from OPENCAMPUS and EDU. But before we get into that, if you want to receive trading signals and join my trading signal group, that's possible. You can actually make some nice profits. We closed another profitable week today. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So check that out. But now onto OPENCAMPUS. So first of all, to start off with my idea of OPENCAMPUS. Usually these Binance Launchpad projects will consolidate at some point of time, and then from there rally. Now, what's been going on with EDU is that we have been quite bearish. We had some minor crashes with Bitcoin as well. And that has also influenced EDU, and it's still finding a consolidation range, because right now technically we are still in a downtrend, right? I think most of us can agree on that. Volume has also dropped down quite significantly, as you can see in the last 7 days. It's now at around, well, it's actually pretty low. Last weekend we were actually still pretty high. We just launched. But right now it's getting pretty low. So that's one sign that we could get into some sort of a consolidation. The thing though is that we still need to get into that consolidation. And the first thing we would need to do for that is that right now we are still in a downtrend. We need to get some sort of a bullish breakout. A bullish breakout would not mean that we will get into an uptrend, but it would mean that the downtrend would at least stop for a little and that we could consolidate. So right now, the thing I'm not sure about is whether we can do something like that from 1.05, which is our current support, or that we need to drop down to this level between $1 and 95 cents, which is our next support, presumably at least. So that's what we'll see today. If today we're actually able to break above this level right here at 1.1, then we'll find resistance here at 1.12.5 and 1.13 for sure, because that's where most of the bearish momentum and pressure is coming from. But if we then can actually stay on top of 1.1, so we break above that and we can stay on top of it, then I think we, like for the next, let's say 24 hours, if we can break above that and stay on top of it, then I think we'll move out to 1.17 and 1.2 and we'll start some sort of a consolidation. First of all, between 1.05 and 1.2, but perhaps that could move up a little bit and maybe even down a little bit afterwards. And then at some point, after that consolidation, we will start a rally. But that is something I will still update you on, because for now it doesn't look like that rally is close. Depends on what you call close. I do think it's possible within the next month, but that still takes some time. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that, but for now that's the big thing. And apart from that, if we are not able to break above 1.1, or we cannot break above it and hold it, then we will most likely drop down to this level around $1 and 95 cents next week. And then from there we'll try the same. We'll find support. If we can get some sort of a bullish breakout above 1.05 or something and hold it, then that's going to be the consolidation. If we cannot, we'll drop down lower. So I will keep you updated on that, but for now, this is my take on EDU. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.